welcome back to my channel, which I'm not gonna have anymore. I'm just kidding. Sorry about yesterday. It was just I found out who did this. It was my brother Anthony. Still, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn notifications so you guys won't miss any of my other videos. We're still in the tornado weather. I looked at my radar on the news and everything. It was at 9. It was at 9. Yesterday, go check out my vlog from yesterday. It was actually a tornado. It hit us. And if you don't know where I'm located at, I'm located in Miamisburg, Ohio. But this strong wind did hit us. It hit us. So like there's a tornado in Springfield and in Dayton, in Yellow Spring. And yeah, it was pretty scary. For the people at my school, yeah, of course, yesterday, if you're wondering why I have this on my head, I don't know. Don't ask me, ask myself. For no reason. Anyways. People at my school, you guys must have heard the sirens go off yesterday. Maybe around 1, maybe 4, no, 1, 2, 3 p.m. I'm not sure. If you're wondering what I'm eating a carrot. Look at this dog. This is Bella. There's Levi right there. Levi. And you guys heard, if you live comment down below if you heard the sirens go off in your state, your city, your town. Comment down below if you heard the sirens go off, because we're still in tornado watch, kind of. Because all this weather is circling back around. Earlier this morning, you got like maybe 10, it was hailing. It was hailing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn notifications. Sorry about the iPhones. They're delayed. They're in China, but China has bad weather and they're going to ship it today, so it'd be here on Monday. But like yesterday, Monday, it was going to be shipped yesterday, but they said, sorry, it's delayed because of the hurricane. Well, not the hurricane, but tornado that happened there. Sorry, but I can't get 100%.